Hello, and welcome to another episode of Utopia Restorations. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Will, and this is Utopia. So what I'm going Today, I'm going to give you a workshop update, show you what's been going on this week, and show you some things that have happened, some of the things that have moved around, to show you how Utopia is progressing and what we're getting on with. So let's start on this side, which is effectively like our showroom side. It's still a work in progress, and we've got exciting news about what's going to be happening with this space as we get to the summer and it's slightly warmer. MX5 is in and on this side and has been washed and nice and clean, getting ready for the summer. And just take you inside. We've got some cool bits. We've got, when it's the right way around, a nice built by Basil gear knob. More exciting news about that later. Door cards off on that side. As it had the problem, I took it to a petrol station. I locked the door and it wouldn't open, so I had to get in from this side with the roof down. Rather awkward. Now unlock the door, get in and get a door card for it, get the lock fixed. And yeah, gonna go for the flat sort of race style door cards. So get rid of all this, completely flat, and just have a strap, because that would be sick. So yeah, and as you can hear from the rain, it's not the weather for MX5s. We've got the beautiful Land Rover Series 1 1985 4x2, one of only 655 ever made, which there is a video for up here. This one is inside, being kept inside, and just on display because it's absolutely lovely and it's fantastic and I love it. It's really cool, it's really different. So if you are interested, come pop down, come see it, or drop me a message about it to find out more. We've had a rearrange. We've got our sort of sofa seating area is getting a bit bigger. Same again, still work in progress, but going to be getting there. Got my bikes at the back here, which there is a video on these as well, which is up here. XR's looking good, XL's looking good. The racking's getting cleared and we're getting our train cairns coming in, so the bikes can go up there and they can be stored up there and look awesome and cool. We do also offer bike storage if you are looking to store any of your bikes. We have the lovely bikes that are for sale. These are all having work done on them, ready for them to go to auction. If you are interested in any of these before they make it to auction, and just to say our auction prices have been going higher than our initial asking price, drop me a message, get in touch, and we can come to an agreement with these. Got a retail area, my first ever Land Rover, if you would. Got some more Deus and some things like that. More news on merch. This is other people's and brands that we really like, but more news on ours and what's going to be happening with that this summer. Right, let me give you a quick tour of what's going on outside. Kevin's here today, so there's Kevin's lovely one. We still have these three beauties for sale. We've had a price drop on these two, so if you are interested, let me know. This one's possibly going back, so if you are keen for it, let me know quickly. We've got full YouTube up on this one, and this one will be coming up for sale in March sort of time. So price drop, this one's now 38, this one's now 29. Also have a very cool Penman trailer that's ready for exploration, camping, anything you need to do. Tailgate drops down, got big storage inside with a lock. That is currently up for £1,750. Same again, drop me a message on Instagram if you are interested on that, and we'll be going up on our website. So yeah, super cool trailer, modified. If it was mine, I'd fit it out with a kitchen or something like that, or you could turn it into a coffee shop, whatever you want to do. Full gun drawer out the back, really cool for camping things. That's Kevin's lovely car. We've got the D2. There will be a full video on this going out, explaining full walk around and what's going on. Can't look at that, Land Rover. And we got our second barn find. Again, we'll be getting full video on this. It is a 110 and it's ex-forestry. So it's definitely something different, something quite cool. Looks a bit sad without its headlights, but I will get some more in there, just to make it look a bit better at the moment. And then we've got Aloy that's out here, which will be coming into the workshop soon for a full restoration and a full series on that, showing you all around her and what we're doing and the plan is. So yeah, really excited to get Aloy in finally. And outside, I'll do another workshop update, show our improvements and work. We'll be getting this improved, ready for some exciting things happening in the summer. Let's have a look in the other workshop now. Outside, you can hear TD5s chugging away, but it's not the TD5 you think. But in the darkness, you can see there's Aloy, which is running, which you can see a video of up here, and it's going to be a full series on that. And then we have a new Barn Find 110 that is in. Again, same as the Series 1, plans TBD about that one. But as always, if you are interested, let me know. And we've got a Series 3 that's for work. So we've got David's one. This one's nearing completion, should be done by the end of April. Having a cat flap install. If you know anything about these are like gold dust, but we can source them. Won't promise we can always source them. We did manage to get this one. Just seen one sell on eBay for £600. Nowhere near that from us. If anything, half it. Maybe I should be selling for 600. But new tailgate, new flap, all going to be repainted, matched in, lovely, lovely. All being redone at the bottom. There is a YouTube series on this one, so same again, up in the corner, you can see this. But it's getting there. Wheels are going to be coming off and getting done. So yeah, that one's getting there. We've got more parts that have arrived. This side looks quite carnage. I promise you, I know where everything is, and we're going to be getting more racking, getting this all tidied. The workshop on this side is a bit more of a work in progress. Did have plans for it, but as always, it's then just started filling up. So had some great new investments. We've got some new SGS parts, new racks, new things. So we had more parts. Lovely new tools that we got, which is currently empty because they're all ready to go for a mobile job. Don't always do mobile jobs, but sometimes we do. Some lovely Paintman samples for this one. As you can see, I think the closest match, it doesn't show best on the camera. All right, IRL is a bit better. It comes across a bit too white, this one, but this one is the closer match than the cream. Just because as it fades, it would go yellower, whereas as the cream fades, it would go darker. So this is the best match for this. So that's what colour this is going to be going. You can sort of see it a bit better there with a better light. But yeah, in real life, this doesn't look as wide as it is. Workbenches, things all getting tidied. Same, we've got some more parts. We've got loads of bits. If you ever need some bits, let me know. We've got some spacers, wheel carriers, dog grates, new fronts. We've got limited edition fronts, all sorts of different bits in a minute. New skates as well, loving these. As you can see, the front end is happening. There will be a new episode on this that will be out as well. And if it's already out, it will be up here. Stool and some extra bits. These are amazing, love them. Odin's getting further along, getting stripped down to the chassis. So we're going to be ready to get the chassis treated and sorted, same as we're doing on this one, ready for its new engine. And then we're going to be doing the cool extra cosmetic bits that's going to be added to this one to make it something a bit different, a bit more unique. Kevin Floyd Co, very cool brand. Make sure you check them out. I'll put them down in the bio as well. As you can see, this Land Rover, or part of a Land Rover, arrived to us, well, much like this. Kevin's got a lot of it off. A lot of it's ready to go. This is getting a brand new Gal chassis and brand new bulk head on it, which we're doing a full series of as well, which you can check out up here. So yeah, it's all getting there. As always with Land Rovers, things take a bit longer than usual. Delays and lead times on parts, but all British-made parts, all in the UK, so that's what we love to see. So thank you very much. I know this one's been a bit of a quick one of an update of what's been going on. I generally don't really show too much of the workshop, and this may be slightly delayed. So this may be going out at a time, and this may have actually happened months ago. I don't want to keep it overly secretive, but I don't want you always to be as up to date as what is happening inside the workshop, because you can always come here. You can always come see, come have a chat, come have a look. If you've got a project that you want to do, you've got a dream Land Rover that you want to make, we can source them, we can build them, we can create them. We've got some really exciting new ones in the pipeline that maybe will come to fruition by the end of the year, which I can't say too much on, but will be extremely unique and very different Land Rovers. So we're building those, we're selling, we've got more things for sale. I do want to show you out the front, but it's just too dark at the moment to show you. So we've still got 3 lovely Land Rovers for sale. We've got projects, we've got one's full restoration. We've got a lovely Penman trailer as well, if you're looking for a full expedition one. So all sorts of bits. As always, thank you very much. I've been Will at Utopia Restorations. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next week in the next video.